What is good? Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Hope you guys can hear. Mic test muna ako. Magma-mic test. Guys can. What is happening today, chat? What is happening? We're seeing a push. We're seeing a push right now, chat. I think today's the day, chat. Today's the day that I think we are finally gonna get this high. Today or tomorrow, chat. Today or tomorrow, but I feel like it's gonna be today. Crazy move, pre-market. I think we're just going to have a continuation today, chat. Grabe yung dump from yesterday was just, you know, rebounded all the way today. Pre-market, London session move a lot, and also the London session and also yung all right. Yeah. So I think, chat, it's finally going to happen. Bullish bias ako going into today. I think we're gonna trade all the way up sa 26133. Um, so yeah, I'm a bullish buyer today, chat. Just waiting for discount level to be rebalanced before any move higher. Um, so yeah, I don't have any other bias aside from bullishness. Hopefully we get a retracement, sana. Not so much of a deep retracement, but some kind of retracement. Solid though. Asian session, breakout, London session, continuation. It's just going higher. It won't stop. Take out na to. Ay, equal high here. Sobrang clean. Think, like, if magkakaroon man tayo ng mga retracement, it's gonna be shallow. Not sure if we're even going to get a retracement because every 15 minutes bullish FBG are being respected. Hopefully, it won't chop the market open, but we'll see. We'll see, chat. Bullish FBG. We got many bullish PD arrays to work with. Same with the ES. I feel like ES is gonna go to all-time high as well. But honestly, I think NQ is more stronger today. NQ is up 1%, abang ang ES is only like 0.5%. So definitely NQ is the leader right now. Even though na-hit natin yung buy side in here, intraday wise, mas stronger itong si NQ kaysa kay ES right now. Gonna be interesting. Maybe, chat, maybe we get a retracement down sa regular trading hour gap for 50%. Up low. Tama. This is the close, right? Yep. Maybe magkaroon tayo ng retracement to 75% of this. Siguro yun yung titingnan ko today if we get a retracement on this level. If ever na mag-push lang tayo, here's my plan, chat. Here's my plan. I'm telling you the plan. If ever na mag-push tayo, market open, tas we just continue to create new highs, I'm gonna buy the first FBG, the bullish per value gap. That's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan today. If hindi tayo mag-retrace, I'm just gonna buy the first FBG na magre-retrace. The first presented for value gap. So, this is my plan today. Plan of action. If we don't get the retracement sa opening gap, like this regular trading hour gap, let's say mag-push lang tayo all the way up, yung first 930 FBG, I'm gonna buy it and then ride the wave. Parang medyo mahina mic ko. Alright, let me just increase it. It should increase now. How are you, chat? How are you? Is it the last day of Apex sale? By the way, I just got my payout approved today. So I'm trading 20 accounts again, pero kailangan ko muna ilagin ang aking Alright, ba't ayaw malagin ng account ko? Ayaw malagin ng aking live account. Live account, what are you doing, my friend? What are you doing? What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? So yesterday I was able to manage to finish the day green on my account. So that was a good, actually it wasn't a good day like in terms of like my trading, but I ended up being green yesterday. Currently at 154K, very close to payout. Just 1,500 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15. Yeah, konti na lang. Konti na lang, I'll be able to request payout. I'm gonna request the minimum $500, baby. Minimum $500 just to remove the risk. 500 per account. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 500 times 14. 7K, not bad. 7K. But yeah, let's not get ahead of myself and focus on taking a good trade. Remember, chat, payout comes from taking a good trade. That's what it matters. That's all it comes down to. If you take a good trade, you'll get a payout. Take a good trade one day at a time and you will get a payout. You will be rewarded. Ayaw pa rin malagin ng aking freaking live account. Why is that? Why is that? Kumusta kayo, chat? How are you feeling this week? Are you feeling good about the price action? I personally think the price action this week is good. I just don't think I perform that good enough. You know, my P&L doesn't reflect it, but still, on this week, I'm still green. Not gonna complain. Ayaw talagang malagin. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you freaking kidding me? Give me 1 second, chat. Give me 1 second. W. Solid yung dollar, actually. Dollar has been good, like in terms of drawn liquidity. But the issue I have with the dollar is hindi ganun ka-clean yung price action in intradays wise. Mahirap siyang i-trade. Hirap humanap ng entry from this breakout to the upside if you did not enter at daily level. CPI, tas buy side from Asian session yesterday. Solid, no? Solid. Imagine mo yung dump kahapon, nag-V-shape siya ngayon. What a V-shape, man. What a V-shape. Crazy. I saw this earlier, kanina London session, but I thought, you know, we're rejecting here. It's a bit 50-50, but once we push above it, I think that was the play right there. IFBG 1 hour level. Long here, stop maybe below here. Ride the wave. What do you guys think is gonna happen? We're pushing now onto this buy side liquidity. I think we're not going to stop in here. Solid though. We traded at 1 hour, 1 minute OB and then push higher. Everything is being respected right now. Everything is being respected really well. Sa bullish side, I like to think na we are gonna go higher. And we might not see a retracement. All right. Buy side is taken. Buy side is taken, chat. 15 minutes FVG din to. Nag-top siya ng IOFED here. Top one time and then push to the upside. We're so close. Draw on liquidity. We're finally getting it. We're finally getting it, chat. Pag nag-trade tayo in this level, I'm not gonna anticipate reversal immediately. Mag-aano ako dito. Iti-trade ko pa rin to the upside. Even though we're gonna trade, we're trading in here. Pwede po ba ask about silver bullet? Paano i-plot yung days high and low? Previous day po ba? Yeah, previous day candle. High and low. Ayan oh. Previous high, previous high, previous high, previous high. That's how easy it is. Plot mo lang siya. Solid, grabe. Wala akong masabi dito sa PA na to. It's sweet, it's perfect. It's just that yung timing. It didn't happen during the time that I am trading. It happens during overnight. Solid. Still going, chat. It's still going. 3 minutes before market open. Or 6 minutes before market open, it's still ripping higher. Freaking insane. This is insane, chat. Like I said, the plan for me is just ride the wave. Ride the wave. If mag-push tayo higher, not going to have any retracement. The first 930 FVG, I think I'm gonna buy it. That's the plan. Let's say we move higher. Tapos dire-diretso lang tayo. The first 930 FVG, I'm gonna buy it. First 930 FVG. Pero syempre, hindi natin tatanggalin yung fact na pwede tayo mag-retrace sa 50%. You know, we're not removing that fact. Anything can happen. Weekly open, we're so close. We're so close to weekly open. The 4 hour right now is just ripping to the upside. Freaking crazy. Current year high above here. What a move. What a move overnight. What a move. We're back sa weekly open. Essentially, nasa NWOG na tayo right now. Hmm. 2 more minutes, chat. 2 more minutes. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to everybody. We're almost at a 3 standard deviation, which is a bit sketchy kasi usually nakakap yung range after hitting that 3 standard deviation. But let's see. ES is almost at the 4. Actually, nasa ano na tayo? 4th on NQ. We're almost at the 4th standard deviation on NQ. Discord link? Ano, trade copier? I use Trade-Await. I use built-in trade copier sa Trade-Await. So you can use that. Just buy an account using the code. Code ROAN, baby. Code ROAN, it will give you the best discount. Alright, 1 more minute, chat. 1 more minute. Medyo desynchronized yung price action right now sa Trade-Await sa TradingView. You can see on my Trade-Await, hindi pa na-fill itong FVG. But on TradingView, na-fill na siya, which is a bit weird. But yeah, let's see. It's dropping right now. Maybe this is just a drop before the pop higher. I don't know, but we'll find that out. Hindi pareho yung PA right now ng Trade-Await sa TradingView. Just odd. Just odd. All right, market is gonna open. All right, market is open, chat. Market is open. It's open for business. It's a bit delay sa TradingView. It's open for business, chat. Open for business. We're pushing, we're dropping, we're pushing. Wow. It's dropping. It's dropping. Right. Like I said, I need to see this. Baka mag-retrace siya sa 75%, maybe yung 50%. I don't know. We will find out. All right, just chilling right now. Just chilling. Waiting for this to calm down a bit. Dow is pushing higher. NQ is pushing lower. What are you, Dow, doing? What are you doing, Dow? Ang YM nagpo-push siya higher habang ang NQ is dropping. We wait, we wait. Sitting on my hands for the meantime, chat. Sitting on my hands. Discord link, alam ko na send na dito, if I'm not mistaken. If not, I'm gonna send it now. Here is the Discord link. Not doing anything right now, chat. I'm still waiting to see what's gonna happen. Waiting to see, just chill. No need to rush. The day is young. We're just consolidating right now, not going anywhere. Want to see what happens when we start to trade below this 830 open. Technically, this is a discount already, given that we are so bullish, but ideally, gusto ko makakita ng some form of SMT inside the discount level, rather than just blindly buying this 15 minutes level down here. Specific, I want this. I want to buy this. This level 48, tas stop ko 33. Yeah, I like this. I like this level. 15-point stop. Just not bad. The fuck? Ba't ganun? Pinalitan ba nila? Why is it like this? So weird. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Want to see what happened here. To me, this is a discount level. First discount level tong level na to. If I get stop out, I'm gonna sit on the sideline. But this is pretty interesting key level to me right now. This is below the 0.75. Kahit dito lang yung take profit, honestly. That's not gonna be bad. Ano po total amount ng 20 account mo? What do you mean by that? Anong total amount ang tinatanong mo? Total amount kung ilan ang funding or how much did I spend? Is that what you're asking? Still going lower on NQ, huh? Let's see, chat. Let's see. Pati sa live account ko, I have what? Saan napunta yung long? What the fuck just happened? Nawala yung limit order ko na long. Nawala yung limit order ko na long sa live. What's happening? Di pa ako na-feel, no? Very annoying. That was annoying. Naglalagi ang trading view ko. Nawala yung limit order ko. Medyo concerning. Kasi baka... Wow. Straight up. Solid, no? Ang bait. Ang bait sa akin. Oh my God. So genuine. So lucky. Sabi ko, ito lang yung take profit ko and I'll be happy. Look what it did. It teased me. Tinis ako on that key level and did not fail me, unfortunately. Which is annoying. Di niya binalikan. We got a 5 minutes breaker at the moment. Bearish breaker, pero I'm not bearish today, so not going to treat this as a bearish breaker in the meantime. Traded up, traded down. Let's see what's gonna happen. Funding, I don't know. 2 million plus? 150K each? Pero hindi naman kasi yun yung real funding. The real funding is how much is your drawdown. So I would say 5K drawdown each account is the exact calculation. 5K drawdown per account, and sabay-sabay ko silang tinitrade, so I only have 5K worth of DD. The US dollar is still going. Pretty crazy. Yung ibang market are dumping, like Euro and GBP. Feeling ko lag talaga ang trading view ko. Look, naglo-load siya tapos nawala yung limit order ko. Medyo concerned ako right now kasi baka nandyan yung limit order ko tapos hindi ma-fill na naman yung stop loss ko. Yun yung isa sa mga major concern ko, but I don't know. Let me just relog in just to be sure. Ang lagi ng trading view today. So laggy, man. Naglalago. Okay, nakalagin na ako. Pero di pa rin naglo-load yung mga symbols. Why are you not loading, my friend? Solid. Solid to talagang NQ na to. Iniwan ako. Napag-iwanan ba, chat? Solid push higher. Grabe. How much risk per trade? 400 to 600. Up 680 past my CPI. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Keep it up. 600 on the day, or is it yesterday during CPI? Or are you talking about today? GG if you made 600 today. I would say this is the first FVG. Wow, we're cooking. We're cooking sa upside. Oh my god, this is pretty crazy. We're cooking sa upside right now. I like to think that we're gonna push up from here. Ilang points to? 18. Yes, consolidating. Chopping around still. Just chopping in here. Try mo na ba yung find the next? Nope. Choo choo choo. Just waiting, chat. Just waiting. Being patient. Just waiting, waiting, waiting. Ang lag ng trading view ko. Nairita ako. Lag yung candlestick. Alright. Let's see. Kanina gusto ko mag-enter ng longs down here, right? Then have a 15-point stop. That was the plan. Alright, I am filled, chat. I am filled. Let's see if I'm gonna get stopped in here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Gonna start trailing once we break this high. Alright, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Trail tayo ng 10 points. I just to lock in. Just to lock that in. Don't want to lose, you know? Don't want to lose on this setup. Want to see it keep moving. Otherwise, I'm going to be in trouble. Keep it moving, baby. Push it. All right, $200, 180 actually. Just don't want to, huh? It doesn't want to, chat. It does not want to yet. It does not want to push yet. And now it's going. Di ko lang ma-hold kasi dahil sa ano ko, dahil sa freaking trailing drawdown, I wanna hold it like gusto kong i-hold yung trade na yon. Just could not do it because of this trailing drawdown I have. Feel like this has room to go. Right? You can see oh, it went higher. Just annoying na I could not hold into it. It moved like 40 points already. That was a solid level if you think about it. That was a solid level to long. Medyo annoying lang na that happened. Got stop out, then move. Wow, look at it go. 50 points already. Yeah, it's lagging. I don't know why it's lagging. TradingView is not working well today. It sucks. I was not able to place my long here because yeah, I don't know what's going on with this TradingView. TradingView, man, you should fix your shit. TradingView, you should fix your shit, guys. Solid though. That level I had in mind was pretty solid. Just couldn't hold into it. I hope I was able to get ins alive. But it's lagging right now, which is pretty annoying. It's 9:30 of each. Ten o'clock na yan, 10 o'clock. I feel like we could just chop around for the meantime. For a long ass time. Sayang din tong trade na to, grabe. 60 points. Ultimately, I think we're gonna go higher, chat. I think we're gonna trade all the way up here. It's just a matter of choppiness going on. Chopping around right now. It's chopping a lot of people. Making a lot of people lose before it goes. Making tons of people lose before it's gonna go higher. Do 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 do. Not placing any bets at the moment. Feel like it's one of those days now you should just focus on higher time frame if you think it's gonna go higher. Focus on 15 minutes levels, you know. Maglong ka dito, have a wider stop instead of tight stop, you know. We could also like very much retrace dito sa 50% and then go up later on in the day. That could be one possible scenario. $10 candle is gonna happen. There you go, 10 o'clock. Oh. I'm up 1000% on my option account yesterday's sell off. Time to get off of the market. Wow, that's insane. 1000%? Holy shit. Overnight ba ang emails activation? Yes, it's overnight after what do you call this? After end of day. I don't know how to trade options. I feel like I should give it a shot for swing trading. I feel like option is for swing trader, chat. Is it am I correct? Is it for swing trading? I think I need to get into option game. Option game. Just chopping around right now, chat. Chopping around. I think 15 minutes will ultimately pay off. Actually, no. Nag-flip tayo. Maybe abot tayo dito sa 50% before we push higher. Maybe one of those days na hindi ito magbigay ng setup sa 1 minute. Oh. How to be unprofitable. How to be unprofitable? You just keep clicking the buttons without any plan. That's how you become unprofitable. Longs are low probability. That's at the top. Okay, okay. I don't know. I'm stubborn, chat. I'm stubborn. I like longs. You said here this is the top. Top according to Lendon. Pwede natin yung bet niya. Longs are low probability. Okay, longs are low probability here. At this time of this comment. Range day, goddamn. Painful being a trade here. Yeah, that's why I'm not trading. I'm just waiting for the right moment. I feel like they're just chopping everyone out before it would, push higher. We essentially traded back where we open. I think, chat, they're just fucking everyone up before it's gonna go higher. Maybe we go into a deeper discount, which is at this 50% key level sa 1 hour, which is essentially 50% ng London session. Mini heart attack sa lower time frame. Yeah, that's why I'm not trying to look at it sa lower time frame. I want to see it like drop down dito sa 1 hour and then see if I can find a setup sa lower time frame. Mahirap maghanap ng lower time frame entries like at this stage because right now what's happening here is just dropping everyone out, right? Mga scalper dito, they're getting wrecked. Unless you're really good at scalping, maybe yeah, you can survive this, but personally, I feel like it's a hard scalp market right now. Kaya hindi ko siya tinitingnan sa 1 minute and trying to zoom out para magkaroon ako ng better perspective. Bernie, down to 25700. Okay. 25700 according to Bernie. Wow, layo ng ano niya. Key level ni Bernie is here. 25700. Bernie bet. Yan, Bernie bet 25700. So far. Guys, try short. Down to 25700 daw. According to Bernie, chat, try short down to 25700. Who wants to take the bet? Pakapangit din. Yeah, it's also like weird sa 15 right now. Earlier, I was trying to long when we did not have this closure, this 15 minutes closure, but right now it's not looking good, chat. It's not looking good. I think the best here is to wait for break and retest. Yeah, not bad. You can do that. We got a bullish SMT here. We got a bullish SMT in here, chat. And we got a OB. If matapang kayo, this might be your OB to push higher, but wala siyang displacement. Pero may SMT on this lower time frame, so this could be a long, but just don't want to subject myself with this risk. Long here, stop below here, possible. After we put an SMT, why am I still pushing higher though? Di naglo-load though. Pretty annoying. I don't know what's happening. Try ko nga mag-open ng new tab. This is very annoying. I don't understand bakit di naglo-load to. Maybe I need to restart my trading view. Because I don't like what's happening. Di naglo-load. Still not loading. If you wanna gamble, just go for US 30. Yeah, US 30 is trending. Not bad. Galing ako sa Quiapo, long daw pero break even. Sabi ng mga hula. Crazy. Don't understand. Wala talaga, lag talaga. Ngayon, di na lumilitaw. Go. Ayaw pa rin mag-load. Inano ko na tawag dito. Inayos ko na yung nag-log out na ako and log back in. Still nothing. Oh, not placing any bets here, chat. Wait for it to get better, chat. Things are gonna get better. But you have to wait. You have to be patient. You have to wait. You wait until it becomes good. What can you say about the price action, man? It sucks. That's why I'm not trying to look at it in a 1-minute lens. I'm not trying to look at it in a 1-minute lens because I know I will just get chopped out if susubukan kong i-trade ito sa 1 minute. 2581 bear trigger key. 25891 25891 25891. Anong ibig sabihin mo dun? 25891 25891 bear trigger key. What do you mean? Do you mean pag umabot siya dito, it's gonna go down? What do you mean? 25891 25891 25891. Here. Wow. Nag-dump. Bear trigger key nga. Nag-down siya dito, chat. It dump. It's a rejection. It rejected. Di ko alam if na-type niya yun before it happens though. Baka nandun na yung rejection na yun. So hard to trade this. Gusto ko magtingin ng ibang market but I can't. Ayaw mag-load, chat. Gusto ko maghanap ng ibang market but it's not loading. Ayaw mag-load ng symbol list ko. Freaking annoying. Ugh. Clear catch. Paano mag-clear catch? How to clear catch on trading view. How to clear cache on trading view. Gamit ko yung app. Hindi ako gumagamit ng browser. Meron na ako nakita. App setting. Oh, nawala. Okay, na-clear cache ko na. Clear cache. Let's see if maglo-load na to. Oh, it works! Let's go! Nag-work siya, chat. Thank you for that suggestion. You're the GOAT. You're the GOAT, my friend. There you go. It's not working. Okay. Since it's not doing really well, let's look at other markets. What can we find? Dollar, guys, is pushing. I think dollar, as I've been saying in the past, I think dollar is gonna go all the way up here. Forex is trending right now. Euro is trending sa downside after we touch this daily fair value gap. Intraday, ang hirap nilang hanapan ng entries. Did not find any good intraday entry. Maybe itong GU, in hindsight, London high. Tapos, kaso 6 o'clock yung entry. That's not good. Move overnight. Tapos, what do we have here? Let's see. Gold. What about gold? Gold is at all-time high. Pretty crazy. Silver, still volatile on silver. USD CHF has been ripping sa upside. Wow. Nag-trade tayo ng Monday on this low and then print tayo to the upside. I guess, yeah, USD CHF has been amazing this week in hindsight. Daily FBG. There's retracement. Tapos BPR sa 1 hour. Pero, ano to eh? Overnight to eh. London session, I guess. This one. Dati tinitrade ko to eh, USD CHF. Crude oil. What happened to crude oil? Wow. Nag-dump tayo from yesterday. I don't know, chat. They're not looking good right now. I still like the bullish though. I think it's gonna move mamayang PM session. PM session or lunch hour. Typically, pag pangit ang EM, lunch will give something. Sira trading view, sabi din ng ibang streamer, pag na-refresh mo daw, nagahang. Oh, yeah, nagahang nga siya. Kanina may limit order ako. Like, similar to my trade here. Tapos, nawala siya bigla. Ayokong i-spam ng order kasi baka mag-multiple, right? Or kaya baka pag na-feel ako, baka hindi ma-respect yung stop loss ko tas mali ako. And that would suck, you know? I will lose a lot. And it sucks as well na hindi siya nag-work because I could have taken profit in this trade sa live ko. But it happens. Yun talaga, you can't part of life, part of the game. Yeah, may issue nga. YM, guys, it's still moving higher. Pretty crazy if we go to all-time high again. All-time high again on YM. Yung bear trigger key ni, sino kasi nagsabi nito? Someone said, bear trigger key, look at it. It's being respected, chat. It's being respected. Baka meron tayong market maker here. Kanina pa ganyan, mga list kahit sa mga MT5 ayaw mag-load. Yeah. Pero so far, okay na yun sa akin ngayon. It's loading now. It's loading now, chat. It's loading. Solid. Super chop zone. Masyado na makalat yung ano ko. Level. Second macro. NQ barcoding, yeah. Crazy. Pag ganyan yung price, you just sit out. Ooh, what a dump. I feel like you can just buy every dump and sell every rip in this range. Mahirap lang siya, but I think it's possible, you know? Yung mga edges, you try to buy the edge and sell the rips. Bernie, alright, bye-bye. Alis ka na, or what do you mean? Did you take a short? Did you take a short and happy with where you are? Alam ko sabi mo, dito ka nag-short eh. Sell dito. 257. Yeah, somewhere here. And sabi mo, abot siya ng 25700. Last chance, okay. Bernie bet 25700. Sounds nga tayo pa sounds. Let's do some music, chat. Anong genre ng music ang gusto niyo, chat? What type of music you guys are into? $10, pwede kaso hirap. Yeah, pwede siyang 10 points, but you have to trade the edges. Yung consolidation, it's more like having a range tapos where to buy and sell. It's like support and resistance essentially. Scan mo barcode tapos lalabas yung 80% off. Is it still 80% off? I'm not sure. Yeah, it still is. last 13 hours. 13 hours before the 80% off is done, chat. So if you want to grab some accounts. Biglang nag-plug. Yeah, use the code ROAN if you want to buy some accounts. Last chance to buy. View, dito ka. Yung aso ko tuwang-tuwa sa kotse ko, chat. He's so happy. First time niya nakasakay. That's why sa sinasabi ko, gusto mo sumakay sa kotse ni Dad? Kinikiss niya ako. Di ba, View? May narinig siya eh. May narinig siyang sa bubong. Pusa. Natakot. Pupunta siya sa akin. Nakahiga na siya sa kama. Marunong ako na mag-drive? First time ko, Saturday and Sunday. Pretty much we drive sa Clark and somewhere here in Angeles. Mabagal pa, but I'm pretty confident na I can drive already. This weekend, first car ko yung latest. This weekend, supposedly magbablog ako, but umalis kami, may errands, so hindi ako na mag-vlog. This weekend, I'll try my best to make a video and talk about it more. Kasi this last week, nagpaturo ako mag-drive. I didn't really have the time to make some videos kasi focus ako sa pagdadrive. First car ko yan, first car. Tapos chat, I've been thinking of buying head unit. Yung head unit ko wala siyang dashcam and wala siyang 360. I've been buying head unit na anong magandang head unit ang masasuggest nyo, chat? Meron akong minessage sa Facebook. Ang pangalan niya is Raid Store, but medyo let's see. May sinend sila na video, but ang issue ko yung quality kasi parang Chinese brand to eh. Gusto ko magkaroon siya ng ganito, chat. I want to have something like this. Yan.
Hey guys, KD Estrada here at nagpa-install ako ng EST360
ito.
para sa aking car dito sa
Gusto ko magkaganyan. Kasi medyo hirap ako sa reverse.
Ito niyo makikita sa screen yung mga angles ng 360 head unit. So we have to
19K pesos.
rear is itong front parallel.
Ganyan. Yung head unit ko wala siyang ano eh. Kabud lang siya sounds, tas Apple Play lang siya, wala siyang Android.
iPhone or an Android phone to the unit. Tawag na sa akin si Alright.
Kayo chat, anong masasuggest yung head unit na brand?
Dito niyo makikita sa screen
20K to 20K. Is it expensive?
front, ito yung rear, ito yung left, ito yung right.
Yan o, gusto ko yung may ganun, yung meron siyang view from multiple angles. Alam ko dashcam na din siya eh, pag ganun. Hindi ako nagkakamali ah. Dashcam na din siya. Wala rin dashcam yung kotse ko, so I'm planning on buying one. Ano first car? It's only a Brio. Binili ko lang second hand. I did not go crazy. Mga medyo expensive pero tingin ka pa ng iba. Okay, okay. Anong brand? Yun yung pinaka-concern ko. Ano yung pinaka-safe na brand that you will not, you know, regret it? Sony kasi yung sa akin right now pero wala siyang camera, wala siyang Android Play. It's only Apple. Grabe maganda yung 360 sa akin, likod lang. Pero laking pakinabang niyan. Yeah, true. Lods, yung 25K ng 𝘿𝙞𝙨𝙘𝙡 okay ba? I don't know. I never researched about 𝘿𝙞𝙨𝙘𝙡. I guess one way to find out is to try them out. Sali ka sa group ng Brio. You know what? That's a good suggestion. Honda Philippines. Honda Brio Philippines. Honda Brio Philippines. Do 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 do. Kala ko EV trip mo. Wala pa akong bahay, so hindi ako makapag-EV. Once I have my own house, pag meron ako sariling charging port sa bahay, then I will go for EV. But right now, I don't have a house, so hindi ako makapag-EV. Plus, yung binili kong kotse is just not expensive. It's cheap. It's almost 500K, so that's nothing. Hindi ako bumiling brand new. Gusto ko lang ng something na makakapag-practice ako and something na comfortable that can be used on a daily basis. Did not go for any luxury things yet. Sometime I'll get there. Oh, we're moving higher. I hope okay lang siya. Si Bernie, he said bye-bye and he wants 25700. Now it moves up again. Although, dito siya nakapag-enter yata. Sabi niya, dito, somewhere here, he said this is a sell zone. It just moved one more time and then rip higher on this FVG. But I'm not trusting that. Not trusting that chat just because of the chop. Not planning on any trading yet. Ako pang third owner na. Okay naman. Tamang alaga lang, Lods. Good din at mura. Solid na yan, Brio, for the size. Lalo na sa masiskip na regal. Yeah, true. Plus, daily drive. Niisip ko nga kung palang dinagdagan ko ng 300K, pwede na ako mag-Civic RS. May mga Civic na 700K, 800K na RS type. Pero wala pa. Ang dami ko wala. Wala akong parking. Problema ko yung parking, chat. Problema ko yung parking. Yung sarili kong kotse, wala sa akin ngayon. Nasa someone na nakikipark ako. But I'll get it settled this week. Makikiusap ako sa mga malalapit sa amin. If needed, magbabayad na lang ako. But yeah, I like EV. Someday, I'll get there. Maybe if magkabahay ako this 2026. If I get a million payout, chat. Gusto ko magkaroon ng million payout. Sana I can make it happen. I hope I can make it happen. 1 million payout. Bye-bye, chat. You will never see me again. Pag nagka 1 million payout ako, 1 million USD in payout, you will never see me again. Ay, di naman naalis, view. Kala mo, bye-bye. Kausap ko lang yung chat. Kala niya, alis. Ba't ang init mo, bro? Mas maganda Civic RS, lupit nun. Yep, importante talaga parking. Huwag ko kayong kakalimutan. I don't know. I hope I can make it happen, chat. I hope I can make it happen. With 20 accounts, it's possible. It's possible to make it happen with 20 accounts. It's just that slowly but surely. Ano ba yan, Bill? Likot mo na. Ano ba? Grabe 1M. Yeah, it's my goal to make 1 million. 1 million in payouts. I want to have $1 million, chat. $1 million. So far, 2K pa lang yung Apex ko this month. 998 more. 998. Na-approve na yung payout ko earlier. 2K. Di pa nasisend though. Shade Cup ng Pinas. Yeah, I wanna have a melee. Melee. I hope I don't get banned before that happen. Pero I don't think mababan ako. We'll see. Oh. Iba naman yan. Not going to take any trades in here, chat. It's just not worth the risk until it becomes clear. Ano ba, Bel? Ang likot mo ah. Ano tinitingnan mo dyan? Baba ka na. Baba na ikaw. Yeah. Oh. Grabe. Pinakamagandang month to trade in my opinion is gonna be the Q3. Q3 or Q4 kapag marami ng earnings. Pag dumarating na yung earnings, price action gets better kapag nagmo-move yung NQ and ES sa daily time frame. Right now, we're in this chop sa daily. That's why it's not looking good. But once we had this price action na katulad neto, like big days, it tends to get better. Someday, chat, someday magte-trade tayo ng NQ, yung price nasa 50k na. Nasdaq is gonna trade sa 50k someday. ES at 10k. December, yeah, was bad for me. December was bad for me. So bad that I blew 10 accounts with 10k plus buffer. I blew a lot of accounts in December. Kaya yung January ko is about rebuilding. Nag-start ako with 150k balance sa mga accounts ko this January. We're dumping right now. Daming chop. Yeah, it's weird. December was weird this year. Last year. Kasi yung December 1st to December 2nd week is very weird. December 1st hanggang 2nd week. Usually maganda pa yung PA during that time. 3rd and 4th, it starts to become bad. Kaya nag-stop na din ako mag-stream during that time. We're moving. Bernie, ha 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 ha. Were you able to capitalize, Bernie? How did you go? Medyo malaki-laking drawdown din yun, ha? From here, then it moves in your favor, 44 points, and then moves back again for 78. How did you do during this period? Did you hold? do.
Caught ako sa choppiness nito pero nakabalik. Stop na. Yeah, if you're trying to trade the chop, I think it's just best to sit on the sideline instead. It's a hard choppiness in my opinion. Macro time na. This is usually the time where I try to find setups. Silver Bullet. Yeah, ang 2022 mentorship is Silver Bullet. I think we get the reversal from here. We touched the 1 hour FVG on ES. I'm going to try and look for longs from this level. %50 is the possible first target. Here. Uy, what the fuck? Holy shit. Naglalagay akong alert. Tangina mo. Tangina, bad trip. Naglalagay akong alert. Naglagay siya ng ano? Natalo akong 150 doon. Naglalagay akong alert. Hindi ko alam anong position ang nilagay niya, kung long or short. But that's fucked up. Alert yung nilalagay ko. Ito. Add alert. Tapos naklik ko buy. Hindi ko sure kung buy or sell. I guess it's sold? Yeah, nag-sell siya. Oh my god. Hindi, nag-buy siya. Pucha, natalo ko 133 because of that mistake. Talo ko ng 7,000 pesos. Holy shit. What the fuck? Ano? Naglalagay yung alert. Sabi ko, gusto ko sa 50%. Add alert. Nag-buy siya and it immediately bought. Kasi when you try to place a buy limit above the market price, mag-execute siya on the current market price. The fuck? What an idiot. That was an expensive mistake. $139. Holy shit. Yeah, it's annoying. Ilan SL mo sa NQ? It depends on the setup. That was expensive mistake. Magkano yun? 140 USD to PHP. 8,000. What the fuck, chat? What the fuck? 8,000 dahil lang sa misclick of a button. That was annoying. Still moving lower. Next possible draw is itong 0.5%. 1 hour. Yeah. Looks like it's gonna go to this level. Ang 50% ng 1 hour is gonna be actually up here. Pero wala siyang FVG though. Aray, yeah. It sucks. I missed the trade because trading view was lagging from here earlier. Then I missed this move. And now I made a mistake. Like one click of a button. Like, holy shit. Pretty annoying. Ugh. We're so close dito sa 1 hour FVG. 1 hour bullish FVG. We are so close. Yeah, but it's okay. Ganun talaga. It is what it is. Human error happened. It's part of trading. I immediately close it. Kasi pag nagkamali kang ganun siya, you should just close the trade and not hope for it. Imagine if hindi ko kinlose yon, that would be how many drawdown? That would mess my mind. $600. Binay ko to eh. Nasa wick siya eh. That would mess up my mind so bad if hindi ko kinlose agad yon. If mag-flip tayo dito, I'll try to take a stab. Dito sa 5 minutes. If mag-flip tayo bigla. Di pa nag-touch no sa 1 hour FVG. I'm giving it like a chance na hindi na mag-touch dito sa 1 hour FVG because we already did on the ES. Sir, parang bihira ka na mag-upload sa TikTok. I don't know. For some reason, TikTok has become... Yung algorithm niya, I got flag on TikTok. Something about money. Kasi yung trading, right, involves money. Meron akong isang content na flag ng TikTok. And ever since, pumangit ang algo ng TikTok ko. And nawalan na akong gana mag-upload sa TikTok. Bernie, stop loss, 60 points. Saan yung stop loss mo? Where's your stop? Where's your entry? So we can put out in the chart. Saan yung TP? I believe your TP is gonna be here. What was the entry? What was the stop loss? Bro, ilang challenge nasunog mo before first payout? 20. But that was on CFD side back then. 20 accounts. Bago na ako ng first payout. Bernie, where's the stop? Oh my god. Where's the stop, Bernie? So you stop. Kailangan nag-upload ng vlog. Kailan pala upload ng vlog? I don't know yet. Probably 4th week ng January. That was crazy. That was crazy, Pam. I was hoping we could get a cleaner cleaner type of PA, you know. But that was a crazy pump. 70 points. Oh shit. May lamok. Oh no. Shorts are in trouble, chat. It's moving. It's moving to the upside, chat. It's moving. It's moving. Got fuck shorts. Get fuck shorts. Market makers are doing some shady shit. I've been bullish since the market opened. I never thought about shorting this market. Any shorts, any short movement, I would just treat them as a discount to go longs. I still think we move out to 26133 this week. Possibly. I haven't changed my bias this week. I've been wanting to see this high gets taken out, and I think it's gonna happen sometime today or tomorrow. Crazy. Yeah, possible PM session, and also possible it's between 11:30 to 12. Yun yung iniintay ko, 11:30 actually. 11:30 to 12, I think it's gonna move. Pag pangit ang 10 to 11, sometime in 11:30 it's gonna start moving. Or kaya 1:30 mamaya PM session. I'm gonna be patient. I'm not going to rush. Gusto ko maging clear muna siya sa akin. I want many things to align. What did I say, chat? 1 hour FVG ni ES. I will not demand 1 hour FVG kay NQ. Di ba sabi ko possible lang hindi ma-touch to kay NQ? Look what it did. ES did touch the 1 hour for value gap. That's why I said I'm bullish from here. I saw ES trading at this point. That is why I am looking at NQ longs. It's just moved away too fast, and I don't like the longs kapag wala akong invalidation. I wanted it to present a great structure sana, like a flip on this 5 minutes. A flip on this 5 minutes, I'll start to look at longs. Kaso yung flip niya is way too much, right? This is a 50-point candle or 40. So malayo yung stop loss ko. So yun yung gusto ko na plan. I was planning on longing once something like this is what I like, pero the way we move was just straight up, and look where our ES is. Right? After we touch this 1 hour FVG, we're almost at the high, intraday high again. Diba? Hindi man siya nagbigay ng entry. And sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it would just go to a higher time frame key level and will not give you confirmation. It's just something that you have to accept and move on. Sometimes lower time frame get paid, sometimes higher time frame. So if may limit order ka sa 1 hour, right? let's say you have a limit order here sa 1 hour and your stop is based on 1 hour, you'll be at least 1:1 right now. Diba? Kunyari, nagganyan ka, 1 hour trade, stop loss mo, let's say here, you'll be in a 1:1 position right now. Like AMD model, yeah. I still think we will get to this high. 25952. This is not the high of the day. Someone said this is the high of the day earlier. I don't think it is. I think we will go much higher. Possible 261311. Boston coffee shop niya. Wala akong coffee shop. Who said I have a coffee shop? Gano'n ka nakatagal nag-trade ng CFD? 2022? 2022, yeah. Okay, what do we have? We got 5-minute BPR. Meron tayong inversion, BPR, and an inversion up here. Maybe mag-create tayo ng FVG here. Let's say here, I'll try to take a long here. Tapos targeting ko tong high. If we get a 5-minute FVG down here. Solid pa din si YM. It's still going higher. All-time high again on YM. Pretty crazy. Almost there.
Is the feed mine. I'm married to the game, married to the game. Feel me now? I'm married to the game, married to the game. Feel me now? I'm married to the game, married to the game. Feel me now? I'm married to the game, married to the game. Put me in the game, coach. I'm going for a touchdown. I'm grinding every day. I'm even grinding when the sun down. I let off 22, they started running 𝙤𝙤. I know they was surprised, they ain't think I had it in me. I'm married to the game, married to the game. Feel me now? I'm married to the game, married to the game. Feel me now? I'm married to the game, married to the game. Married to the game. Feel me now? Put me in the game, coach. I'm going for a touchdown. I'm grinding every day. I'm even grinding when the sun down. I let off 22, they started running 𝙤𝙤. I know they was surprised, they ain't think I had it in me.
Hindi ko mapagkatiwalaan yung 1 minute. This is the first time we had a good 5 minutes displacement. So I'm trying to trust the 5 minutes instead of 1. Medyo matagal-tagal nga lang to. Still like the upside. Saan yung mga nag-short? I wanna see how the shorts are doing, chat. What's your stop? Para magka-idea lang ako paano mag-isip yung mga ibang tao, di ba? Para alam ko saan yung mga liquidity, saan yung mga key level na tinitingnan nyo. ES 718 first. Okay, ES 718. ES 718 first. Okay. Yung ano, yung mga naka-short kanina, I wanna know their stop. Si Bernie sabi niya dito kanina yung key level na tinitingnan niya. So kung 60 point yung stop niya, I would say dito yung ano niya, all-time high. Or dito sa intraday high. Dito siya una nagsabi ng trigger key. 60 point stop is up here. So possible dito yung stop loss ni Bernie.
Is the feed mine. I'm married to the game, married to the game, feel me now. I'm married to the game, married to the game, feel me now. I'm married to the game, married to the game, feel me now. I'm married to the game, married to the game. Put me in the game, coach, I'm going for a touchdown. I'm grinding every day, I'm even grinding when the sun down. I let off 22, they started running 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤. I know they were surprised, they ain't think I had it.
Kasi kung maglulong ako dito, medyo malaki ito It's so big that I don't like it. Kung ganito kalaki yung stop ko, I don't like 1:1 trades. Pero magkikreate siya ng 5 minutes at VG. I think I'm gonna wait until 10:30. Outside macro na din to Outside macro na din tong entry, which make it less ideal. So I would say 10:30 is my best bet. After 10:30, I just don't like the risk to reward up here. It's possible that it could move. I just don't know which the invalidation is. Ayoko maglagay ng hanggang dito. It's too far. But I can possibly say this like going up here. Just the invalidation is what I don't like. Ayoko din mag 10 points here. I feel like 10 points is possible, but I just don't prefer it. I don't prefer to be taking 10 points straight today just because I feel like it has a lot of upside potential. This could be the first, like, kung 10 points dito possible, tas stop below this level or this level. 30 seconds. Let's see 30 seconds. Kasi kung dito naman, let's say, longs in here. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the setup. On 5. Iba-iba yung data, sir. Pag in-on off, ang adjust, contract changes sa trading, changes sa TV sa daily time frame. Ano thoughts mo dito, sir? I think you're looking at a different... I think you are looking at a different ticker symbol. Look at the NQH 2026. That's what you should look at. Yun yung current contract, man. It's what the highest volume. So I think you should just focus on that and not try to overthink other contract symbol kasi hindi naman yun yung currently active. Medyo duda ako na duda ako dito, chat. Duda ako na mag-base it ng 10 points just because ito yung middle of the range. Right? Feeling ko kung aabot siya doon, baka mag-chop siya 5 minutes being respected. That is the 10 points, I guess. That was the 10-point trade. From here, medyo malaki lang yung DD niya. But I don't know. I don't feel like doing 10 points today. Dahil feeling ko malaki ang potential nito sa upside. Boss, sa left hand ka gumagamit ng mouse? No, sa right. Nasa right din yung whoop ko. Usually, di ba, left ang relo. Pero naka-whoop kasi ako, whoop band. Sa right ko siya nilalagay. Susilaw na ako. Oh, antok po siya. It's already 12 a.m. Grabe. We're still trading here. Grabe. Grabe tong chop. FX Trader, bakit mo naman naisip na meron akong coffee shop? When did I say na meron akong coffee shop? She moving. Kapag nag-take out tayo na high and it left without me, I'm gonna end the stream and I'll just try my best to trade sa PM session. So essentially, this is the draw in my opinion. And if we take out the draw on liquidity, tapos napag-iwanan ako, it just traded in here, I'm not going to force any setup after that. Mag-PM session na lang ako. Essentially, ito yung first bullish 5 minutes FVG. This one is not revisited. Hindi niya niretrace to. Hindi ko mapagkatiwalaan because that pump is suspicious to me. Feeling ko kailangan i-retrace ng market yon before it move higher. But I could be wrong. It may just trade all the way up here. What time ka magte-trade ng PM session? It's either 1:30 AM Eastern Time or at 3 a.m. Ayoko naghanap ng setup between 2 to 3. Usually 1:30 a.m. to 2. Yun yung gusto ko. Kapag 2 to 3 ayoko yun. Yun yung usually natatalo ako. And then 3 to 4 is the last thing I'd like. 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Sa Pilipinas, that's time. Wow. 5 minutes of VG, huh? Preferably, this becomes a breakaway now. Dapat hindi na balikan ng market to. This level should not be revisited. If this is gonna continue higher, it should not go back in here. If we go back in here, hindi ko ganun pagkakatiwalaan itong 5 minutes FVG. Mas maganda kung hindi babalikan ng market to and it left it alone. It's gonna continue higher if iiwan niya to. Kasi nag-consolidate tayo dito eh. We offered this price level many times and there's no reason to fill this imbalance. Kasi it has been offered many times already. Pero the fact na hindi siya nag-move away from this level, it means it's not as strong as I wanted it to be. That maging breakaway gap to. If this breaks above here, leaving this level, I think it's just gonna go straight up in here. See, this is what I want to see. This should become a breakaway gap and keeps moving higher. Nag-fill tayo ng 5 minutes. While filling this 5 minutes, we consolidated. We filled this a lot of times. And nag-create siya ng another FVG with a good displacement. So, dapat di niya balikan to. Okay, the fact na binalikan natin to, I'm not as bullish as I wanted to be. Right? It might chop around more before it goes higher. I could be wrong, but I don't know. I've been wrong many times today, but I'm still green. Shine a little harder when they mean mug you. I'm just getting started, but raising the bar. No sign of slowing down. I could race with Lamar. Punch with Javante, basic guitar without ever leaving the state. That's how fly I am to Jafar. The red carpet should start at Gremlin, Mr. Slimothy. Think they really trim till they trembling and they okay. It ain't been said till I said it. I got some phone already. Rap said poems. Going higher once more. No better time than the present. Living it, loving it, let it. Can't say they prayed on my downfall, but I bet you they bit it. Showed up the cancer collection, bless all my work with progression. Bless your little heart, you aggressive. I see no harm in no weapon. I left some prints one stepping, the kind I hope they ain't catching until I ended this session. It was your end at beginning, they shouldn't have started, especially with making targets of me. Cause I'm a marksman, I never miss. Could assure you the preacher got something dope in the speakers, and it's a fee for the fee. They trying to weigh my head all down. About time today, my stress gone now. Watch the jet fly away, but what to calm down, I'ma still find a way. Find a way. They trying to weigh my head all down. About time today, my stress gone now. Watch the jet fly away. They tell me calm down, but I still fly away. Fly away, yeah. The bad man's back, you best stand back. How I'm stepping back, they can't stand there. The bar's a weapon, but I bought some larger weapons if they don't train. Oh man, what a chop. Give me a second to make it secular. I send out a kill before I send a threat to you, and that's no disrespect to you. Tell me how I'm not supposed to know I'm the greatest. When making something out of nothing should flush out all the base. But just in case, I'll sharpen the iron and cut to the chase. And if the chase don't get to your mind, it's straight to your face. Ain't no training for this here, promise you nothing basic. I grew up off of the basement, I set the bar but don't sit still. Check the look on their faces, shocking to witness greatness. Locking my spot on top while they contemplate my replacement is cool. Cause it don't make me no difference to be your favorite. I know that switch on the daily, the work gon' make all the statements is smooth. They trying to weigh my head all down. About time today, my stress gone now. Watch the jet fly away, but what to calm down, I'ma still find a way. Find a way. They trying to weigh my head all down. Bro, ask ko lang, di ako Apex ngayon eh. Kapag ba na-reach na 2.6 ang profit, then bumaba ka ng 1.9, static pa rin ba ang DD or back to intraday? Back to static pa din. The moment na 2.6 na yung profit mo, static na yung account mo, it will never go back to trailing. Pag na-hit mo na yung 2.6. Bini-break up niya yung demand zone kasi dyan, pero palagay ko ma-break niya, kailangan lang ng konti time. Okay, okay. It's breaking right now. It's breaking right now, chat. It's doing it. Feeling ko dito yung stop ni Bernie kasi he said 60 points ang stop loss niya. And ang trigger niya was in here. So this is 60 points. Which is sad kasi you are up like at some point 80 points. Just to get stopped, that's not a good thing. Unless nag-manage siya ng trade. Yep, you're welcome. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. ES at 7:30. Wow. Intraday high na si ES. ES at intraday high. Grabe. Bagal ng delivery. $11:30, I'm gonna be go signal to start to look for setups. Oh. Man. Grabe yung trading, no? Super boring. Ilang weeks na ako nagpapadiode, chat. Nagpapadiode ako dito. Para hindi na ako tubuan ng balbon or dito sa baba. Pero still, grabe. Naka-5 session na ako. Pero parang walang improvement. Touch tayo dito. So 1 minute again. Inside the 5 minutes. I think if we flip up here, I'm gonna start taking longs. Kaso chop zone pa din ang hirap. Pero gusto ko na mag-take ng longs up here. Stop. Pag nag-close tayo above, no closure. So mag-close tayo above that level. Gonna wait for more. We did not close. So sana mag-close tayo up here. Nag-touch tayo sa 5 minute, sweeping 1 minute low. Grabe ang bagal ng PA. Hindi ko mapag-iiwanan ako dito. Na win rate mo sa system mo now? It depends on which account are we talking about. Live account ko is not looking good, but my prop account are looking good kasi nagwa 1:1 lang ako. I would say on average, I have like 40 to 50% win rate. Longevity wise, 40 to 50%. So, for example, itong isang account ko, win rate ko is like 40%, 1.78 win-loss ratio. 45% lang yung win rate ko. Live account ko, I think I'm about to become negative sa live. So, after ng recorded na, ayan, I lost 1.8k last week sa live. Tas kapon 235. Up na lang ako 138. Ever since I started this back in September. Ayan, September ako nag-start sa live account. Then, October, talo ako 1.2k. November, I won 2.3k. December, losing month again. Tapos ngayon, talo ako ng 924. So, up na lang ako 138. And plus, yung ano ko, yung talo ko ngayon dahil sa misclick. Break even na ako sa live account. Which is unfortunate. 5 months, man. 5 months. That's crazy. 5 months of trading, break even. Still has a lot to learn when it comes to trading sa live account. I'm also thinking, I should not mix up live account with prop firm account. Kasi nahihirapan ako mag-manage both at the same time. I think I should just have a specific time na tinitrade ko yung live versus tinitrade ko yung prop account. It's hard to manage them both at the same time. Yung isa sa TradingView, yung isa sa Trade of 8. Boss, ginamit ko ang discount mo code RON. Let's go. GG. Thank you. Grabe chat, ang tagal natin dito ah. Magkano fund mo sa live account? Started this year 50k USD. 50k USD, so 3 million pesos. Down ako ng 100k pesos so far this year. I will also deposit if umabot siya ng 45k. Kasi yung margin requirement. The only reason kaya ako may 50k sa live account is because of the margin requirement. But really, yung willing to lose ko lang dyan sa live account is 5k. So each time na matalo ako sa 5k, I have to deposit. Pwede ba mag-scalping sa Apex? Mabilis na entry and out. So 1 minute time frame, may rules ba na dapat sundin? Yeah, you can scalp. There's no violation with scalping with Apex. We're now getting some movement. What we've done was trade back into this breaker na may FBG. But really, I think it's gonna ultimately go up still. I like the fact that we're going down first as a retracement to get cheaper buys. I like this. Oh, I hope we touch down hanggang dito sana. Dito, di nyo pala nakikita, sorry. I hope we traded all the way down dito sa 30 seconds for value gap, then rejected. But yeah, if we get IFVG up here, I'm gonna start taking position. I'm gonna start taking longs. Pag nag-invert tayo dito sa 30 seconds FVG, gonna target that high. Break even up here. Stop loss ko is gonna be 15 points. Pag nag-close tayo above, ipa-front run ko yung 1 minute FVG. Front run ko tong 1 minute FVG with the 30 seconds. We already had a sweep. So if mag-invert tayo all of a sudden in here, I think it's gonna start trading above here and ultimately 25952. Pero walang closure so far. It's pretty annoying. I've been very patient today. No closure. Annoying to, no? Yung mag-i-invert siya but it's way too far sa risk management na gusto ko. Alam mo yan, yung it's gonna close all the way up here. Therefore, yung entry ko sobrang pangit na. Right? I wanna see it close somewhere in here, tapos entry it. Medyo annoying yung gantong PA na ang layo na niya sa entry na gusto ko. Ito yung ayoko sa inversion. It makes the RR so negatively awkward. Kaya hindi ko masyadong trip ang mga IFBG. Mas trip ko ang mga FBG na entries. Kasi in reality, I should be longing here. Right? Pero gusto ko much deeper right now. Stop ko is gonna be above this low. Below this low. 25866. So I'm longs. It should start pushing higher and not come back sa 5 minutes FBG anymore. Ang stop loss ko is somewhere in here. Yeah, and it's gonna be, I don't know how many points is this, but that's my stop. Ang risk ko sa live account is approximately like $300. If we start breaking above here, I'm gonna start breaking even. Yan, pag nag-trade tayo above dito, 8 points, break even, and start. It should start to see push higher really. Anong broker ko sa live? IC Market. Once we start to break above this, gonna start breaking even. Nagbe-break even ako agad because I wanna protect the downside sa trailing drawdown. Let's look at 30 seconds. Naka-frame tong trade na to sa 30 seconds, chat. Because we're inside a chop. Feel like, you know, yun yung... I just simply followed my plan, essentially. Above this break even, like I said. Or move the stop, kahit bawasan ko lang yung risk, kahit hindi totally break even. I could just reduce the risk to 5 points or 10 points instead of 15. So right now it's still 15 points. Back to break even. Pretty annoying. Just barcoding still. Umabot siya ng 10 points. Did not take my profit. Nag-execute ako sa Trade-of-8 mismo sa Trade-of-8 account sa Apex prop firm. Pero when it comes sa live account, I execute on my trading view. Should start pushing now. The longer it takes to push higher, the low probability it becomes. In the next, I would say 3 minutes, it should be above 25917. Nag-sweep na tayo dito. It should just start pushing higher from here, really. Nice one. Keep it coming, baby. Within the next 2 minutes, it should start breaking up here. I'm gonna see if I can possibly pyramid dito. Gonna 3 times. Gonna remove this 3 kasi yung iba. Gonna remove this, and this. Kasi itong mga trailing drawdown na accounts are gonna be in trouble. So I break even sa mga trailing drawdown. Live account, I'm gonna start placing myself sa break even as well. Like I plan to. Up na. Oh no, break even ako sa live. Unfortunately, paid the commission. Break even ako sa live. Prop firm. Yan, sa prop firm, like I said, if we break above this, I will break even. Nag-break even ako sa trailing accounts. While on the accounts na hindi na trailing drawdown, di ako nag-break even. Just chop. Just weird choppiness right now. Still, that was a good... How many points is that from entry? Like 15 points. Umabot ng 15 points from this entry to that level. That was a 15 points. So 1:1 na yun if you think about it. So I had to break even. Don't want to lose a lot of my drawdown. Tapos titignan ko if makapag-pyramid ako sa mga static account, which is itong tatlo. If we start breaking higher, I'm gonna start adding more. But it's just not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere, chat. It's not looking good. I'm pretty sure after ko ma-stop out dito, pagkatapos ko mag-quit sa live stream, pag in-end ko na yung live stream, it start going to move, chat. I'm telling you. Hintayin niyo ako sa Discord. For sure, I'll update you guys. It is going to move pag tinapos ko tong stream. Pretty annoying. It does not want to move higher. Sell tayo dito sa 50% ng wick. If it start to break up above. Naantok na ako, chat. Gusto ko na magpahinga. Mag-gym pa ako mamaya. Ang daming fast seller dito sa demand zone. Hindi nila maubos bilhin, pero marami rin buyers. Kailangan maubos itong fast sellers dito. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even think about that. Di ko tinitingnan yung market in terms of buyers and seller. That's not the way I view price. ICT don't believe in buyers and sellers. I think buyers and sellers are legit, but ICT believe it's not the reason why price move. This should become a breakaway gap. This gap, chat, should become a breakaway gap. If this is gonna rip higher, this should start breaking above. Let's see. Kapag magma-manifest yung gusto ko, I'm gonna start pyramiding into this. Oops, it didn't become a breakaway gap. So isa yung sign na hindi ko siya dapat i-pyramid muna. Rosella Blanca, good evening. This is pretty annoying. It's just a high resistance liquidity run condition, not going anywhere, just chopping around. It moves because of gamma, that is exchange trade. Yeah, that is the true common knowledge, or how CME or whoever invented it say it is a free market. What I'm saying is that ICT thinks it is that way. So theory, right? Yung theory ni ICT, it's based on algorithm, not buying and selling. So I'm using ICT concept. I operate that way. I don't look at market in terms of buying and selling, but I know it is buying and selling, but the way I trade is I don't think about it that way. Complicated ata mag-analyze ng iba sa mga chat. What do you mean? All right, I got break even sa mga accounts ko na trailing, which is unfortunate. Now it moves. Classic. Tanggalin natin yung mga orders ko dito. I'm not going to trade these accounts anymore. I still have 3 accounts na ongoing kasi itong mga to hindi naman trailing yung drawdown. Iran USD, I don't know. It's 0 right now, I believe. It's 0 already, if I'm not mistaken. Because of the regime in Iran. Annoying. No, break even ako and then it moves higher. That's annoying. Talo ang $400 na drawdown. Look at it. Now it's going. Let's go. The machine will recognize where is the gamma, so I'm hopefully will hit 718 and may go 728 as I see it now. Okay, okay. I think it's gumming, right? It's 714 already. I'm a bullish buyer right here. Let's go, chat. It's still going. The break even lang ako and it moves, it rips. W patience today, chat. W patience on my end. Not gonna lie. I like this high, 25955. I will take profit at this account if I reach 1,000 something profit, because I will, what do you call this? I'm gonna add here if we draw back down dito. I'm gonna add, then put my stop dito sa initial. If abot tayo dito. Payout ako dito sa account na to, 151. There you go. Fill me before we rip higher again. Let's see. Alright, I'm filled. Average price is 907, 25907 right now. So, yung stop ko is just 5 points. It's gonna be a $200 stop. Naka 2 contracts ako right now. As you can see, I added into that position. Let's see if it is gonna rip or what. 5-1. Alright, let's keep it coming. 1K profit. I'm gonna exit this trade. 1K profit. If it goes, it goes. Kasi magpe-payout ako dito sa account na to. Keep it pumping, baby. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Alright, that's a payout, baby. W patience, chat. W patience. Alright, we're still going. We're still going. I'm gonna exit this. We took the high. Then I have one last account. And there we go, chat. There we go. Itong account na to, I need like 156,700 so I can get a payout. This is what I'm saying, guys. Like, alright, tanggalin na natin to. This is what I'm telling you, guys. I'm not a basic trader only. If I think that the market is gonna move in some direction, I'm gonna add into that position. I'm not gonna be afraid. If mataas yung conviction ko dun sa trade, I will do it. I just didn't do it dito sa mga account na to because they are trailing. It's a way for me to protect my drawdown. But the idea is that, you know, I will pyramid if I think it's gonna happen. And look, it moved here, breaks higher, and I said if we retrace here, I'm gonna add, and that's what I did. I took profit. Kailangan ko pa dito ng dito sa account na to 127, kailangan ko ng 1K. On this account, I'll request 2K today. And yeah, I hope I didn't break even, obviously, in hindsight, but at the same time, you know, it's a way to protect your drawdown. Kapag trailing yung account mo, you have to protect your downside. You should always, like, try to limit the downside, but it is what it is. If I held, you know, I would have made more, but that is hindsight. So yeah, chat, I'm gonna be done for the day. Just W patience on my end. I took the trade that I thought it's gonna work, and yeah, at the end of the day, yun yung nagmamatters. Following the plan. Yung pyramiding mo, sir, natalo second trade mo, BE ka na overall. So the way it works, kapag nag-pyramid ka, you should always think about yung risk mo kapag sa second entry, right? So this is my first entry, di ba? Yung stop loss ko was 15 points. And then, nung nag-pyramid ako up here, yung initial stop ko, minove ko siya dito. And yung stop nitong pangalawa is down here. So, yung average entry ko kanina was 25907. Yung stop loss ko is 903, I believe. So, that's roughly about 5 to 6 points. So, if you think about it, $200 yung risk ko dito sa overall trade na to. Pero ang nag-gain ako is 1K. So, that's like 1:5R. I've learned this concept from 𝙃𝙤𝙀 na kapag nag-pyramid ka and the trade is still valid and you move your stop, each time it goes in your favor, lumalaki na yung winners mo while your loser is still gonna be 1R. Kasi, right, if you think about it, ang risk ko 300. And then I move my stop. Where? Dito sa break-even. Tapos nag-add ako here. So, technically, risk-free tong trade na to. Nung nag-add ako dito, ang stop nito is gonna be like 10 points. So, ang risk ko, $200. And I won 1K. So, that's like 1:5R. So, yeah, chat. I'm gonna end it here. It was a W patience on my end. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna request $1,000 again on this one account. Tapos itong 130, kaka-request ko lang kanina. Kaka-approve lang kanina ng payout. And I got approved for 2K. And now, may balance ulit siya ng 1,260. So, I just have to keep trading, really. Tapos dito, kailangan ko pa ng 1K. So, unfortunately, it was supposed to hit yesterday. But I overtraded. But it is what it is. Yeah. So, chat, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something on that execution. And yeah, just follow the plan, keep showing up. And it's a reminder na no matter what other people think the market is gonna do, you have to follow your own system. Bye-bye, chat. See you tomorrow. Peace out.